All right, we've got a quick little video here. We're gonna be welding our TORSEN LSD from any IS300 or BRZ or any similar basically type of limited slip diff. So there's not a lot of videos on this right now. You can do this to your M85 or Y38 diff. The M85s, they're in some manual IS300s. I don't know about the Australian ones with the 3.58s, but I want to get one of those. So if anyone has one, let me know. But for now, this is going to be how to weld your limited slip diff. So we're at Calvin's place right now. I'm going to flex his cars real quick. We're making a little pipe for that shit. It's going to make it flutter and sound insane. Anyways, all right, so if you look along the side here of your diff, the drain plug's on the bottom right now, if that helps. But yeah, you look along the side here, you've got these gears in here, and some people will take off these 4 bolts on both sides and take that out, but you don't need to do that. I saw some dude weld his 4.1 BRZ diff, and he just basically filled these holes, and his held somehow. So we're gonna try to do it a little stronger, but I'll basically show you. You gotta weld right here, making a YouTube video.
Yo, what the hell is going on here?
So we're gonna weld this one for now, this one, and then see if we can weld that one. Calvin's got a little pipe for his car.
Oh yeah.
He fucking almost broke his wrist earlier with this shit.
Hold on. Quick,
Let's check this shit out.
quick
Where's the
ER trip
Oh yeah,
later.
yeah, fucking.
We're straight. Had to double check real quick.
Had to double check.
Hopefully this doesn't fry a hole in your fucking camera.
No, I don't think it will. I don't know. I feel like the TIG welder is, for some reason, it's so much brighter. That one might actually. Okay, now we have all 4 welded.
Good to go.
Okay, phone ran out of storage, so we're recording on Snap now. But basically, welds turned out pretty decent. Not the prettiest, but yeah, just make sure you grind them down. I had a little nub at the top of mine, and they will hit back there, and then you'll be like have an oh shit moment in your pants. So just be careful. But yeah, that's done.
We have a COS. Initially Japan. Here, why are we here? Okay, the reason why we're here is that the COS is one of the most recognizable companies.